This is Malika Sharma. I am PhD in sports psychology and doing research work in sports psychology, and been giving psychotherapies to the sports persons. And in relation to this CBT workshop, it was very useful for me for my own understanding and to use several techniques to give the therapies to the sports person.
Hello, I'm Gunjan Kapoor. I'm a school counselor, and it was a great opportunity meeting Pallavi ma'am, and the way she teaches is really very effective. And I must say that the practical approach that she's given to the therapy and the way she's explained each and every point is really very nice. And I'm looking forward for more such workshops. And thank you so much. It was great meeting you.
Hello everyone, I am Ujjwal Batra and I am a student of BSc Life Sciences. I thoroughly enjoyed the workshop. It is very beautifully structured and very well facilitated by Pallavi ma'am. And I would love to recommend it to others, all those who are interested in this field. And definitely I'll be looking forward to the other sessions and levels.
I am Ishita and I've just gotten over with my masters. So this workshop was like a silver lining to my playbook, because I've actually got to know a lot of new things and I've got a lot of answers that I'd been searching for so long. Pallavi ma'am was amazing and I really look forward to seeing her again on Friday for level 2.
Hi, I'm Rachita, doing BA Honours Applied Psychology from Amity University. I liked the workshop very much and I learned a lot of things. I am looking forward to attend the second level.
Hi, I'm Rachita. I've done my Masters in Psychology and right now I am a student of dance movement therapy. I have previously attended Pallavi ma'am's workshop as well, and I really adore her way of dealing with the practical aspect of each and everything that we've theoretically studied. So I gained a lot from the CBT 1 workshop. I wish I could have attended this level 2, and I will look forward to when the level 2 happens next time, and we'll definitely attend it. So yeah.
Hi, I'm Divyani and I completed my clinical psychology masters recently, and this is my second workshop with Pallavi ma'am, and like always it has been a pleasure to attend a workshop from her. And CBT 1 workshop is very helpful for me personally, and I know I can apply it also later in my life in the future with my clients or myself also as moving forward. And I would have also loved to attend level 2 and 3, but next time in the future. And I really enjoyed the relaxation technique, because that is a very important aspect which we tend to overlook during practical sessions. And it was a joy to attend the session and meet such lovely people and expand my knowledge and horizon in psychology.
Hi, my name is Simran Malik. I'm a master's student. And I really enjoyed the workshop. It was really helpful, as it will also help me in my profession further, and I'm also looking up for more levels.
Hi, my name is Sumera Sethi. I'm pursuing a master's in psychology from Amity University. This workshop was especially thorough learning process, and I'm looking forward to the next level.
I'm Garima. I'm doing my PhD in psychology from Amity. I teach there. So it was a sudden plan to do this course. I've always been interested in CBT, and this workshop, the main reason to attend it was to get an insight into myself as to what is my weakness and how should I work on it, because I feel if I work on myself first, then probably I can help somebody else. And it has been an amazing day and a good huge amount of learning I've got. I would have definitely attended the level 2, but I am level 2 and 3, but I'm traveling, so I can't do it. So I'm looking forward to the other course of couples therapy too. Please tell me when you're doing it in Delhi again. I would love to do it. So it was amazing experience.
Hi, I'm Ramika from Kamla Nehru College. I really enjoyed the workshop, and I think that it was very beneficial for me personally. And I'm really excited for level 2 of the same.
Hi, I'm Ananya. I'm a student of psychology, and CBT Level 1 workshop was great. I loved it. I am looking at all of these, how to deal with my emotions, because I have exaggerated responses to everything. So hopefully after this workshop I can reason my thoughts and have more calm responses. So I would definitely recommend everyone to at least come for CBT Level 1.
My name is Asit Kumar Maurya, pursuing my PhD in psychology, and today I am here for the workshop. That was very interesting and very informative for my research work, and also if you want, then you also come here and learns lots of things about CBT.
Hi, my name is Purnima. It was a great experience, and if possible, I'll attend again in future.
Hi, I'm Raj, working on a project related to the stress and the stressors, or that understanding of the behavior and the distortion what we have in understanding people and how they behave is very, very important, because end of the day they lead to some kind of, you can say, misunderstanding or create a lot of stress in the people who are working with either they are as subordinates or maybe as superiors or as colleagues. So it is very important to understand these behaviors without distortion, so that in correct sense these stresses can be understood. So this particular workshop of CBT was very helpful in making me understand that particular part.